Welcome to one of only a dozen real wasabi farms in the United States. What you're seeing is authentic Wasabia japonica, true.
Families, Wasabi is notoriously difficult to grow. That's why it's so expensive. Temperature, water must stay between 50 and 55. Water quality makes or breaks wasabi farming. We test daily, pH 6.5 to 7.5, dissolved oxygen above 8 milligram liter.
I can think the depth is right now. Let's get the pipe centered before we connect the plumbing.
Wasabi is high risk, high reward agriculture. We've invested $200,000 in this half-acre farm.
From the cold of winter to the heat of summer, cultivating wasabi requires constant dedication and careful monitoring of the flowing spring water.
Wasabi harvesting require extreme care. These rhizomes are valuable and delicate. Each rhizome must be...
Block 12 looks ready. Rhizome size is good, flagging this section for the weekly restaurant orders.
And this is what we're after, the rhizome or modified stem. See this nubby texture? It's characteristic of real wasabi.
Wasabi farming is inherently sustainable. We use natural spring water that flows through our beds, then returns to the stream. No water.
Fresh wasabi is highly perishable, and that's another reason it's expensive. Properly stored at 35-40 degrees and humidity, make sure the cold packs are evenly distributed.
Got it. These are ready for the labels now.
Ourselves. For fresh wasabi, we ship directly to restaurants. Each box contains 5 to 10 rhizomes, about that.
For wasabi that doesn't meet fresh market standards, we make USDA inspected processing kitchen.
We focus on formulating two products made from wasabi, paste and powders and powder. Today we are making the most Americans know. Wasabi heat comes from isothiocyanate compounds. When we grind wasabi, enzymes mix with compounds, creating that nasal clearing.
This is our retail wasabi paste, 43 grams, perfect size for home use. Ingredients: wasabi rhizome 50%,
Our second product is wasabi powder, dehydrated ground wasabi. Powder has a longer shelf life than paste, 18. Drying temperature is critical. We dry at 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 hours. Higher temperatures cause flavor loss and browning, so we track it throughout the cycle.
This is 100% pure wasabi powder, fine texture, olive green color from drying. Enzymes need time to activate.
Pupils. Moisture is within target at 9%, and particle size exceeds requirements. Standardize.
Quality and authenticity are everything in wasabi business. We test every batch, fresh rhizomes, paste, powder, ensuring quality and purity.
Check the oxygen levels on the vacuum seal, please.
All within spec. We are ready for the wholesale labels.
We're USDA certified organic. No synthetic pesticides, no synthetic fertilizers, no GMOs, natural spring water, sustainable practices.
We can trace every package back to specific harvest date, growing bed, and even individual plants. If there's ever a quality...
The paste is labeled for mustard as required. Have you completed the line swab? Yes, Supervisor.
The rapid test confirms no contamination on the powder line.
All our products stored in temperature-controlled environment. We maintain about 2 weeks inventory. First in, first out rotation.
We distribute across the United States. Primary markets: West Coast, Seattle, Portland, San Francisco.
Education is a huge part of our business. Most Americans have never experienced real wasabi. We teach them how to use and appreciate it.
This is where fresh wasabi shines. This restaurant goes through 2 to 3 rhizomes per night, commanding a $5 to $10 premium from premium diners. Grated fresh, this preserves volatile flavor compounds. Complex, aromatic, perfect heat. This is what real wasabi tastes like. Real wasabi paste is versatile, not just for sushi. Consumers are discovering wasabi works in American cuisine too. Wasabi has impressive health properties. Strong antimicrobial activity, that's why it's traditionally served with raw fish.
Powder works well for food service, stable, easy to incorporate in bulk recipes, longer shelf life than paste. I see American wasabi industry growing, maybe 20, 30 farms nationwide within 10 years, domestically grown wasabi becoming standard in high-end restaurants.
Wasabi farming is exceptionally sustainable. We use but don't consume water. It flows through our beds, then back to the creek. We're expanding to 1 acre, doubling production, building second processing facility for increased paste and powder capacity. We can sell everything we can grow.
From mountain stream to restaurant table, that's the journey of American wasabi. This is Wasabia japonica, true